Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is wretched. It's pronounced wretched, and it is spelt W-R-E-T-C-H-E-D. Think wretch and then ed. Wretched means in a very unhappy or unfortunate state. For example, my migraine made me feel wretched. Wretched comes quite simply from the Old English word wretch, meaning wretch in modern English. Wretch means an unfortunate or unhappy person. If you are wretched, you are or are feeling like a wretch. Have you ever heard the word wretch before? It can be found, perhaps most famously of all, in Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. In this story, scientist Victor Frankenstein brings to life a zombie-like creature that has no name. Victor Frankenstein famously cries when he first sees the monster, "Let me go, monster! Ugly wretch, you wish to eat me and tear me to pieces. You are an ogre." Throughout the story, it is referred to as the creature, monster, fiend, wretch, vile insect, demon, being, and just it. The creature is wretched because it suffers an unfortunate and unhappy existence. Wretched is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, "I felt wretched after eating far too much at dinner." Wretched is normally used to describe a person. However, as we've seen in Frankenstein, it can also be used to describe a monster or even an animal. The monster was ugly and wretched. Wretched is defined in the dictionary as unpleasant, very ill, or very unhappy. Wretched synonyms include abject, deplorable, despicable, and miserable. Antonyms include blessed, bright, cheerful, comforted, and good. See if you can notice anything wretched today. For example, if you see someone looking sad or unfortunate, think to yourself that they look wretched. But bear in mind, wretched is not a very nice word to use to describe someone, so maybe don't tell them they're looking wretched today. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.